the clouds at night, was born to fight. Mythical, so mystical.
Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in my previous videos I have talked about the importance of aloe vera gel guys, and it is an amazing herb. I swear by it. I use it in my skincare regime, in my beauty care regime, and everywhere. I also make sure that I'm using a freshly extracted aloe vera gel because it is gonna be a lot more better than the gels which are available in the market, because they are going to have some preservatives. So the last video I created about is, guys, you are complaining a lot about that it is causing lots of irritation and itching, and I agree with you guys because it does. So today in this video I have brought this solution for you guys that you can apply it whenever you want on your skin, and it won't be causing any irritation or any itching at all. It is an aloe vera extracted out powder which is gonna have same properties as freshly extracted aloe vera gel, and it is gonna do same wonders to your skin as a normal gel would. And the best part is, guys, you can use it in your hair as a mask, you can use it on your skin as a mask, and you can even use it as a green tea, guys. You can take this powder, put it in a hot water and drink it. It is gonna provide you amazing benefits. Just believe me, if you're someone who is trying to lose weight, just go buy it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it is really gonna mean a lot to me, and we are gonna get started now. So guys, all you need is two freshly taken aloe vera leaves, and make sure that you cut it into very thin slices so that it can be easily dried off. If you are gonna make them a little bigger, the chunks are not going to be dry off in sun. So just make sure that they are really thin, as I'm trying to do in the video. After that, guys, all you need to do is keep cutting these into small pieces as I'm doing here. So guys, aloe vera has so many proleptic enzymes and vitamin. It has vitamin A, B, E and C, which helps in healing your skin properly. It is very great for your scalp, and if you are someone who is looking forward to losing weight, you can make a great green tea out of it. So once we are going to get done, just make sure that you are going to spread it equally on the sheet as I'm doing in the video, so that it can get proper sun exposure and all the water can be dried off really quickly. And it has 96% of water. It has something organic and inorganic substances which helps in improving the texture of your skin. It's really great for your entire body, guys. Either you take it internally or externally. After over 24 hours, guys, this is how the leaves have dried off, and I am going to grind it for 3 to 4 minutes to extract out the powder. So now I have already grinded it. It took me a while to do this, guys. So our powder is ready now, and you can use it wherever you like. I have already explained to you in the video. Yes, I know this is a very little quantity, but at least you're sure it's purely organic and it's homemade. So guys, I really hope that I was thorough with the process. If still you have any inquiries, you can let me know in the comments down below, and I would love to answer it for you guys. And also let me know if you want me to make a separate video about how to use it. I'm gonna do that for you guys as well. And this is it, guys. Just let me know in the comments down below if you have anything else to say. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it is really gonna mean a lot to me. Also make sure to follow me on my social media, links to which I'm going to leave in the description box below, and I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Really hope that I was thorough with the procedure. If you still have any queries, you can let me know in the comments down below. Also let me know if you want to okay. So guys,